I don't get why rice is made plain just like that. I think it's boring. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be. Rice is like a blank canvas, ready to soak up flavors and turn into something amazing. Cooking rice usually means rinse, pour, cook, and maybe steam. Making plain white rice itself will get you a lot of different instructions, but everyone who makes rice will get this one thing in common. You will always get an angry Asian person.
Yeah, your parents never teach you.
But we can do better. Trust me, let's take it up a notch. First up, fenugreek seeds. These little guys are the secret to making your rice smells incredible. Ever tried nasi dagang or nasi lemak? You've probably tasted these seeds without knowing it. Fenugreek seeds, besides their heavenly aroma, have a subtle earthy flavor that will have your guests asking for seconds, even thirds too. They're the spice that leaves a lasting impression. Then there's pandan leaves. They are everywhere and they smell divine. Tie a couple knots and toss them in your pot. The result? Your rice will have that amazing nasi lemak aroma. The unsung heroes of many Southeast Asian dishes. It's like adding a dash of tropical paradise to your rice. Cinnamon, usually used in soups, loves rice because it soaks up its sweetness and fragrance. Beyond its use in soups, brings a hint of sweetness and warmth. It's like a cozy blanket for your rice. Your rice won't look as pretty, but it'll smell fantastic. Now, butter or margarine. Yes, just a bit can make your rice glossy and delicious. Think of it like adding oil to chicken rice. It just works. They're like the polish, giving your rice a glossy finish and a flavor that'll keep you coming back for more. And food coloring? Why not make your rice look as good as it tastes? It's like creating edible art. It's your ticket to a rice rainbow. Imagine serving up a plate of vibrant, multicolored rice that's as visually stunning as it is tasty. Simply add a teaspoon of turmeric to make it gold. Or poke tiny holes in your rice while it steams, add a dash of color to the holes, fluff the rice after 5 minutes, and watch the magic happen. Cooking rice doesn't have to be a snooze fest. You probably already have these ingredients lying around. Remember that spice mix you bought for that one recipe and never used again? Now's the time to shine. Spice up your rice game and take it from plain to extraordinary. Give it a try and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us why your plain rice is the best. Let's take a moment to appreciate the rich tapestry of rice and its prominent role in Southeast Asia. Our rice adventure begins in Malaysia, stretching across the states of Selangor, Perak, Kedah, and Perlis. Here, the landscape is a patchwork quilt of green, sometimes gold, where rice paddies sway in harmony. Sometimes, rice takes a scenic route from the neighboring Thai fields. Now, into the grocery store, we enter the realm of choice. In the rice aisle, you'll find a plethora of options: white, long grain, short grain, fragrant, and more. Each variety brings its own character to the table. Calrose, with its tender, slightly sticky texture, is a versatile choice, beloved for dishes like sushi. Basmati, known for its slender grains and fragrant aroma, graces our biryanis and pilafs, and the short grain rice, cherished for its ability to bind ingredients together, is the foundation of our beloved nasi lemak. So, as you explore the rice aisle, consider this a journey of discovery. Try something new, and you might find a rice variety that becomes your new favorite, an adventure you have yet to explore. Not that one though. That is sticky rice.